Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save for study abroad with SoFi, full guide step by step clearly. Are you dreaming of studying abroad but concerned about the costs? Let's dive into how to save for your study abroad experience with SoFi. First, determine the total amount you need to save. Consider tuition, living expenses, travel, and insurance. Next, create a budget based on your current financial situation. Track your income and expenses to see where you can cut back. After that, set a realistic savings goal for each month. Divide the total amount by the number of months until your departure. Now, open a dedicated savings account. This will help you keep your study abroad savings separate from other funds. Enroll in SoFi Money, which offers high interest on your savings. Consider automating your monthly contributions to your savings account. Set up a direct deposit from your paycheck or checking account. Look for additional ways to save, like side gigs or freelance work. Every extra dollar can bring you closer to your goal. Next, explore financial aid and scholarship opportunities. Many organizations offer funding specifically for study abroad programs. Research your school's financial aid office for available resources. Stay updated with deadlines and required documents. Once you've secured funding, adjust your budget as needed. Keep an eye on your savings progress regularly. This will motivate you to stay on track with your goals. Consider using budgeting apps to help monitor your expenditures. Evaluate your spending habits and identify areas for improvement. Finally, celebrate your milestones along the way. Each step brings you closer to experiencing life in another country. Remember, persistence and planning are key to successful saving. With SoFi's resources, you're well equipped for your study abroad journey. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.